To fill the freshwater tank, open the freshwater fill cap at the right rear of the trailer and use either a clean bucket or a hose to fill the tank. The tank has an overflow which will emit water underneath the trailer when the tank is completely filled. If your Scamp has a city water connection, you will need to connect a hose to a clean water supply and then to your Scamp. Use a clean hose for this connection, and you may want to drain the hose out after each use to keep the taste and smell of the water from getting stale. Water systems can vary greatly in the Scamp trailer depending upon which options are installed. Every trailer has a 12-gallon freshwater tank located under the right or passenger side rear seat. The black water tank is located under the toilet and holds 9 gallons. Gray water tanks are located under the rear dinette or sleeping area and hold 26 gallons. Both black and gray water tanks have venting for air displacement and odor. When wastewater holding tanks are used, they must be periodically emptied. You should empty the wastewater at an approved facility. Many campgrounds have services to accept wastewater. A 10-foot-long, 3-inch sewer hose is supplied in the hose carrier on the front of the trailer to facilitate this operation. Remove the sewer hose by unscrewing the cap on either end. Both black and gray water tanks have a termination fitting. The gray water tank should always be emptied before traveling. First, remove the cap from the tank you want to empty, and attach the 3-inch hose to the fitting. Place the other end of the hose in the waste receptacle. Pull the T-handle to open the valve, and the tank will drain. When complete, push the T-handle to fully close the valve, remove the hose, and replace the cap. Never travel without the caps in place. You may want to regularly rinse the drain hose to eliminate odors and keep it cleaner to handle. In order to use any of the 120-volt appliances or receptacles, the 30-amp power cord must also be plugged into a 120-volt power source. Most campgrounds have both 30 and 15-amp power supply sources. When possible, always use a 30-amp supply. If there is only a 15-amp power supply source, use the adapter supplied with the trailer to connect the cord to 120-volt power.